Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Brian Jolly, the Walkthru catalog tonight. Thank you for joining. As a disclaimer, as always, these statements are not evaluated by the FDA. They're not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, or prevent any disease. So tonight we're going to talk about Neolite UpBeet. This is one of the newer products that came out last year. It works in two different ways. So there's a kind of a direct way, it provides the nitrates that can be converted to nitric oxide in our bodies. And then there's an indirect pathway that it has where it enhances the body's innate ability to produce nitric oxide on its own. So it enhances the body's own nitric oxide production, and it can actually produce nitric oxide. So it's kind of a unique way that they built this one. So nitric oxide is actually a key for better physical performance. It helps muscles work longer and harder while supporting the heart as well. So basically, it helps prevent that lactic acid buildup that prevents that you get when you get that burnout feeling when you're exercising and you can't go any further. So it just allows the muscles to go a little bit farther. So a little bit more about the activation blend. It uses beets, kale, Joseph's coat. These all contain naturally occurring dietary nitrates. Then there's also a fitness blend in there as well, with moringa leaves, pomegranate peel, black ginger, and those support the nitric oxide production inside the body. So again, there was that two different ways. The activation blend is more of the I guess you could say the direct method to produce the nitric oxide, and then the fitness blend will have the indirect pathway to allow the body to produce the nitric oxide naturally. So these products help with that. So some more benefits from the UpBeet itself. It helps, again, boost those nitric oxide levels. It helps support healthy circulation, increases stamina and endurance. That was in a double-blind placebo-controlled study that it does that. So it's not just Neolite saying it. It's actually been studied to improve and to do so. There's no added sugar in there. This GMO-free. It's caffeine-free. It's vegan, and it's gluten-free. So there's the package details. There's 30 sticks in there, kind of like the Neolite tea. It has individual sticks, 30 of those. One of those you can mix with about 6 to 8 ounces of water, depending on how diluted you like it, and that will provide you enough for the day. There's a little bit of sodium. There's the two different blends in there, the fitness and the activation blend, and how much of each is in that. And so that's pretty much it on the UpBeet. I'm going to go over the fill-ins for that one. There should be a few of those on your handout. So for number 1, it is proven to boost nitric oxide levels, both directly and indirectly. As we mentioned, the number 2, the activation blend, has the beets, the kale, the Joseph's coat working externally, helping to convert the nitrates to nitric oxide. And then number 3, there's the fitness blend, which uses the moringa leaves, the pomegranate peel, and the black ginger root to help support the nitric oxide production internally by your body. And then that's it for that. And you notice we don't have any fill-ins after that. So we're going to move on to the Elevate. We don't have fill-ins for the Elevate, so all your notes will be coming from the slides here. So for the Neolite Elevate, which was just introduced this past Neolite Impact Summit in July, brand new product. It's a natural caffeine. It has from green tea for a physical energy boost. It has clinically researched L-theanine and electrolyte minerals to improve mental focus and support a balanced mood, all while hydrating the body as well with the electrolytes. So Neolite Elevate uses carefully selected vitamins. It has B6 in there, which helps convert food into energy and regulates the mood. B12 is involved in the formation of red blood cells to carry oxygen throughout the body. It has folic acid in there, which is essential for brain development and function. It has vitamin C in there as well for energy production, and it helps support your immune system. And then also has vitamin D in there, which is critical for normal muscle function for your immune system and helps with muscle regeneration, repair, strength, and power. So all vital for that. So there's patented L-theanine in there, which they use actually a sun-theanine, which is just another product from the manufacturer. But that product has been shown to enhance cognitive function, promote concentration, support mental calmness. And the good thing about this, when you combine the theanine with the caffeine, it actually helps enhance the caffeine benefits while suppressing the negative side effects from caffeine, which is pretty awesome. So you don't get the negative side effects from that you normally would from an energy drink. So the caffeine in there has 120 milligrams. It's from the green tea. Caffeine in itself has been shown to improve working memory and alertness and boost physical function. It also has the amino acid L-taurine in there, which plays a vital role in energy metabolism and helps improve endurance levels and supports healthy cardiovascular system. So there's a couple of other things here. They also use glycine in there, which helps protect the muscle mass and supports immune function and inflammatory responses. So it's actually kind of an anti-inflammatory. It also has choline, which is the precursor to acetylcholine, which is critical for learning, memory, mood, and muscle control. So not only does it help build the muscle, but it also allows you to help control that muscle better with your motor skills. So there's zero sugar in there. There's no artificial flavors, sweeteners, preservatives, GMO-free, gluten-free, cholesterol-free, 100% lactose-free, naturally sweetened, and has 10 calories. So here's a breakdown if you compare it with other energy drinks, kind of what's in there and what those other drinks do not have. So you can see there's quite a bit of difference there in the Neolife Elevate, a lot more advantage versus some of the other products. I noticed the synthetic caffeine. I didn't know there was a synthetic caffeine, but I guess there is a version of synthetic caffeine. Of course, the Neolife uses green tea for a natural caffeine. I'm not sure what synthetic sources there would be, but pretty much every other drink uses synthetic sources for caffeine, which is kind of interesting. So here is the label with all the ingredients. Again, it has the little sticks like the UpBeet and the tea have. It's the same process. You just open the tablet and pour it in your drink, shake it up, and you're good to go. So that's what one stick will give you, all of those vitamins and minerals. So it's pretty amazing. And again, I don't have any fill-ins for this one. It's a brand new product. So pretty much everything was covered on the slides. I don't have much more information on that. So there's a side note. We're going to be on a vacation for the next 2 Wednesdays. We're leaving next Tuesday night. So our next meetup will be October 4th, 2023. And we're going to start going over some of the green products and the Super Tan and LDC, stuff like that, the house cleaning products. So this will finish up all the nutritional products. And again, this is brought to you by our website, jollytimehealth.com. And all of the Walkthru catalogs are on our YouTube channel. You can find them there. This will be on here later tonight. If you have any questions or need to re-watch anything, it is all on there. So that is it for tonight. Thank you for watching, and I will stop the recording.